While tech leaks often scream more megapixels or bigger batteries, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 series is taking a sharp turn to enter straight into privacy land. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. According to recent leaks, Samsung's next flagship might not be about flashy hardware upgrades, but about keeping your digital life under wraps. The star of this privacy push is a new feature called Privacy Display, which is quietly discovered in the code of One UI 8.5 by an ex-user. Though it's not yet active in current test builds, but hidden settings suggest a screen-level privacy feature that could automatically activate in public spaces or while using sensitive apps. What makes Privacy Display fascinating is the method. Rumors suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra could manipulate screen pixels to limit visibility from side angles. Imagine reading private messages on a train without the person next to you peeking in. It acts like a built-in privacy screen protector, but smarter and software controlled. The concept isn't entirely new, but the implementation is automatic, seamless, and possibly a first for mainstream smartphones. Another feature, privacy protection, might finally see a global rollout, which is currently limited to China. This tool can blur or remove sensitive details from shared images, like passport numbers or license info. It's software-based, so it may also come to older phones with One UI 8.5. Still, the hardware-driven privacy display is likely to be only for the Galaxy S26 series, signaling Samsung's deeper commitment to safeguarding users, not just selling specs. So in the era of yapping and oversharing, Samsung's taking functional privacy on another level. What do you think about these features? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.